becomes exercise equal to question number first. Fill in the blanks using definitions and property. This figure is given. This is quadrilateral polygon. AB equals to CD. AB equals to CD. AB side equal है CD के, because opposite sides are equal in parallelograms. So AB equals to CD. Angle DCB, and this angle is equal to this angle. Name of this angle is DAB, because opposite angles are equal. OC and OA, OC equals to OA, because diagonals of the parallelograms intersect to each other. So OC equals to OA. Diagonals are intersect to each other. Measure of angle DAB and angle CDA. This angle. Sum of these angles equals to 180 degree, because CDA and DAB are interior angle pair. So angle A and B equals to 180 degree. Find the, now question number second, find the value of x, y and z in this figure. This is parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal in parallelogram. So opposite angles are equal in parallelogram. Y equals to 100, because opposite angles are equal. Now y plus z equals to 180, because interior angle pair. So y equals to 100 plus z equals to 180, z equals to 180 minus 100 equals to 80 degree. And equals to x, because opposite angle. So y and 100 are opposite angle, so y equals to 100. Y and z are interior angle pair, so y plus z equals to 180 degree. So y equals to 100, then z equals to 100 minus 180 minus 100 equals to 80 degree. So z and x also equal, because opposite angles. So x equals to 80, z equals to 80 and y equals to 100. In this figure, x plus 50 equals to 180, interior angle pair. So x equals to 180 minus 50 equals to 130. X equals to y. X and y are also equal, because opposite angles. And z equals to x equals to z, because alternate angle. Corresponding angles. Because this line and this are parallel, so x equals to z, corresponding angle. So x equals to z equals to 130 and y equals to also 130. So complete this. Now comes question number third. This is a parallelogram, but given in figure, this angle is 90 degree and this is x, this 30, this y, and this z. In a parallelogram, all opposite sides are parallel and equal. In this triangle, this angle is 90 degree, so this angle is also 90 degree because vertically opposite angle we have learned in previous classes. Vertically opposite angle, if two lines are intersect to each other, then opposite angle called vertically opposite angle. So these are vertical opposite angle. So then this angle is 90 degree, then x also 90 degree. In this triangle, y plus 90 plus 30 equals to 180. Angle sum property. Reason is angle sum property. So y plus 90 plus 30 120 equals to 180, and y equals to 180 minus 120 equals to 60 degree. So y and z also equal because they are alternate angles, because they are in z form, z shape. So that is alternate angles. So alternate angles are always be equal. So y and z equals to 60. So complete this. 9 x equals to 90 degree because vertically opposite angle. This angle is 90 degree given. Now we come to question 4. Find the value of x, y, and z. This angle is 80 and this also 80. Why? Because y and 80 are opposite angles in a parallelogram. In parallelogram, y equals to 80. Opposite angles. Opposite angles. X plus 80 equals to 180 because interior angle pair. Interior angle. Interior angle pair. So x equals to 180 minus 80. By transposing, 80 will be minus 80. Then x equals to 100 degree. And y equals to 80 degree. Now z equals to 80 degree because corresponding angles. Corresponding angles because these lines are parallel. So complete question 4. Now we come to next question 5. This angle is 112 and also this angle 112 because both are opposite angles. Y equals to 112 because opposite angles in parallelograms. So this sign is parallelogram. X equals to z. They are alternate angles. Alternate angles. Those angles are made of z shape. That's called alternate angles. Now in this triangle, y plus 40 plus x equals to 180, y equals to 112 plus 40 plus x 180. This is angle sum property. Angle sum property in triangle. So x equals to 180 minus 152. 112 plus 40 152. Then x equals to 28 degree. Value of x 28. So z also 28 because x and z are equal and this equal. So complete question this. Now it comes question number 3. In ABCD is a parallelogram. and angle D plus angle B equals to 180. Angle D plus B equals to 180. Yes, these are opposite angles. AB and CD 8 centimeter, AD 4 centimeter. Is BC equals to 4.4 centimeter? No, because opposite side should be equal. In third, A equals to 70 degree, C equals to 65 degree. No, it is not, because A and C should be equal because they are opposite angles. So complete question number third. Now comes next exercise question in next online video. Thank you. Have a nice day.